Have you ever dreamed of earning money from your passion for photography? Imagine your photos generating income while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. That's the power of stock photography. Stock photography is a fantastic way to earn passive income by licensing your images for use by businesses, marketers, and publishers. It's like having your own little art gallery open 24/7, showcasing your talent to the world. The concept is simple. You upload high-quality, captivating photos to stock photography websites. These platforms act as a marketplace, connecting your images with potential buyers. Every time someone licenses your photo, you earn a royalty. The more appealing your photos, the higher your chances of making sales and building a sustainable income stream. This exciting opportunity is open to everyone, from seasoned professionals to enthusiastic beginners. Whether you're a hobbyist photographer or a seasoned pro, stock photography offers a unique avenue to monetize your skills. The key lies in understanding what sells and how to present your work effectively. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into a source of passive income, let's dive into the world of stock photography and explore how you can make your camera work for you.
Creating images that sell requires a keen understanding of market trends and an unwavering commitment to quality. Before you even lift your camera, take some time to research popular themes and subjects in stock photography. What are businesses looking for? What kind of visuals are trending? Understanding the market demand will guide your creative process and increase your chances of success. Never compromise on quality. Ensure your images are sharply focused, well lit, and free from distractions. Master the fundamentals of photography, composition, exposure, and lighting to create compelling visuals. Pay attention to the technical aspects, as buyers often seek high-resolution images suitable for various applications. Diversify your portfolio by capturing a wide range of subjects and themes. Think about different industries, demographics, and concepts that might need visual representation. From business and technology to lifestyle, nature, and travel, explore various subjects to cater to a wider audience. The more diverse your portfolio, the broader your appeal to potential buyers. Strive for authenticity in your images. Capture genuine emotions, real-life scenarios, and relatable subjects. Buyers are often drawn to images that feel natural and evoke a sense of connection. Avoid overly staged or artificial setups. Instead, aim to capture the essence of a moment and convey a story through your visuals.
Once you have captured your stunning shots, it's time to prepare them for the stock photography marketplace. This crucial step involves editing, formatting, and optimizing your images to meet technical requirements and enhance their visual appeal. Think of it as polishing your gems to make them shine their brightest. Start with basic editing to enhance your images. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Correct any color imbalances and remove any blemishes or distractions. Use editing software to fine-tune your images, but avoid over-processing. Maintain a natural look and feel, enhancing the existing beauty rather than creating an artificial appearance. Pay attention to formatting requirements. Stock photography websites typically have specific guidelines for image size, resolution, and file type. Ensure your images meet these standards to avoid rejection. Resize and crop your images appropriately, maintaining a high resolution to cater to various usage needs. Metadata optimization is equally important. Add relevant keywords, titles, and descriptions to your images. This information helps buyers find your photos through keyword searches. Choose keywords that accurately reflect the subject, theme, and style of your image. A well-crafted title and a detailed description further enhance the discoverability of your images.
Section 4. Keywords, the key to discoverability. Keywords are the invisible threads that connect your images with potential buyers. They act as signposts, guiding buyers through the vast sea of stock photos to find the perfect visual for their needs. Mastering the art of keywording is essential for maximizing your visibility and increasing your chances of making sales. Think like a buyer when choosing keywords. What words would someone use to search for an image like yours? Research popular keywords in your niche and identify relevant terms that accurately describe your photo's subject, theme, and style. Use a combination of general and specific keywords to cast a wider net. Take advantage of keyword research tools available online. These tools can help you identify trending keywords, analyze search volume, and discover related terms. Some stock photography platforms also offer keyword suggestions based on your image content. Utilize these resources to refine your keyword strategy and ensure your images reach the right audience. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted title and description. Your title should be concise yet descriptive, capturing the essence of your image. The description allows you to provide more context, highlighting key elements and potential uses. Use natural language and avoid keyword stuffing. Make it easy for buyers to understand what your image offers and how it can benefit their projects.
Section 5. Marketing your visual masterpieces. Uploading your photos to stock platforms is just the first step. To truly succeed, you need to market your visual masterpieces effectively. Think of your stock photo portfolio as your online art gallery. Just like any gallery owner, you need to promote your work, attract visitors, and showcase your unique style. Build a strong portfolio that reflects your skills and niche. Organize your images into relevant categories and collections to make it easy for buyers to navigate. Showcase your best work prominently and update your portfolio regularly with fresh content. A well-curated portfolio acts as your online storefront, enticing buyers to explore your offerings. Leverage the power of social media to promote your work. Share your photos on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, using relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with other photographers and potential buyers, building connections and increasing your visibility. Social media provides a valuable platform to showcase your talent and drive traffic to your stock photo portfolio. Networking is crucial in the competitive world of stock photography. Connect with other photographers, learn from their experiences, and exchange insights. Join online forums and communities dedicated to stock photography. Attend industry events and workshops to expand your knowledge and build valuable relationships. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable support. Consider starting a blog or website to showcase your portfolio and share your photography journey. Write blog posts about your creative process, offer photography tips, and discuss industry trends. A blog can establish your expertise, attract potential buyers, and drive traffic to your stock photo platforms. It's a great way to build your brand and engage with a wider audience.
Section 6. Reaping the rewards of your photographic journey. Embracing stock photography as a passive income stream requires patience, persistence, and a dedication to quality. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term investment that can yield substantial rewards over time. As your portfolio grows and your images gain traction, you'll start to see a steady stream of earnings. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to find that your photos have been licensed overnight, adding to your earnings while you slept. Stock photography allows you to monetize your passion and create a source of income that works for you, even as you pursue other interests. The potential for growth in stock photography is immense. As businesses increasingly rely on visuals for their marketing and communication efforts, the demand for high-quality stock photos continues to rise. By staying ahead of the curve, adapting to market trends, and consistently producing exceptional work, you can position yourself for long-term success in this dynamic industry. Remember that success in stock photography is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, continuously refine your skills, and never stop exploring new creative avenues. Stay passionate about your craft, persevere through challenges, and watch as your photographic journey unfolds, bringing both financial rewards and artistic fulfillment.